In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable Gemini AI shortcuts in Google Chrome. If you've noticed Chrome suggesting a Gemini shortcut in your address bar, that's part of Chrome's site search shortcuts. It lets you type a quick keyword, like an @ symbol followed by the name, to jump straight into a site search. If you don't use Gemini this way, or you'd simply rather keep the address bar focused on your usual searches, you can turn that shortcut off in a few clicks. This doesn't remove Chrome's normal search or affect your default search engine. It only disables the Gemini shortcut entry. Start by opening Google Chrome on your computer. Look to the top right corner of the browser window and click the three-dot menu. This opens Chrome's main menu with all the controls you might need. From here, click Settings to open the Settings page in a new tab. On the left-hand side of the Settings page, select Search Engine. This is where Chrome manages what happens in the address bar. Next, click Manage Search Engines and Site Search. You'll land on a page that usually has two sections: Default Search Engines at the top and Site Search below. The Gemini shortcut, if it's been added to your browser, appears in that Site Search section. Scroll through Site Search until you see the entry labeled Gemini. To the right of that entry, you'll see a three-dot button. Click those three dots to open the options for that shortcut, and then click Deactivate. That's it. Deactivating removes the Gemini shortcut from your address bar suggestions, so Chrome won't prompt you with Gemini when you start typing. A couple of quick notes to keep things clear. This change applies to the Chrome profile you're currently using. If you use multiple Chrome profiles, for example, one for work and one for personal browsing, you'll want to repeat the same steps in any profile where you want the Gemini shortcut disabled. If you don't see Gemini in the site search list, it may already be deactivated or the shortcut hasn't been added to your browser. There's no need to restart Chrome. The change takes effect immediately. If you ever decide you want the shortcut back, you can return to this same menu and reverse the change. For most people, though, deactivating keeps the address bar cleaner and avoids accidental triggers. And that's all you need to do. You've successfully disabled the Gemini AI shortcut in Google Chrome and kept your search bar focused on what you prefer.